Alrighty everybody, welcome to day 3. My name is Paige and let's get into it. Alright, so today we're going to start down on our backs. For a second I thought we were about to start on all fours, but get down on your backs, hug the knees into the chest, and take a moment. Collect yourself and then into the space. Maybe beginning to feel your breath touch your belly. Soften into the shape, just one more breath. And then from here you might like to just quickly go for a big stretch up and overhead. Before landing both feet on the earth, knees to the sky, feet are about hip distance. Hands can be anywhere you like. As you inhale, peel and lift the hips up to the sky. And exhale, roll it down. Inhale, lift up, peel up. Exhale, roll it down. Beautiful. Keep flowing like this with your own breath. And just seeing if when you lift to the sky, you can really squeeze your butt cheeks together. Puff up your chest a bit and just imagine you're sort of pulling your ribs in together. We're going to go for 2 more here. And notice if on the way down there's anywhere in your spine that feels like it's just dropping as a big chunk rather than articulating vertebrae by vertebrae. So if that is the case, see if you can go even slower down just to feel every inch of your spine before peeling yourself back up to the top. Hold there. Nice. Now we're going to hold up and down. Yes, up and down. Up, down. Cool. Keep going with the beat. 3, 2, 1, and done. Cool. Roll yourself down. Hug the knees into the chest. Maybe spread the legs out wide and just throw those legs around in space. Feeling into them. Then grabbing the backs of the legs. Roly-polying yourself all the way up to a seat. Maybe taking 2 or 3 rolls to get there. That's it. Before crossing over at those ankles and getting straight into your all fours. Nice. So as you inhale, drop your belly, open up your heart space, find your cow. Exhale, curl them out. Inhale, all forward. Exhale, cow. Whoops, cat. Oh my God. Inhale, all forward. Exhale, cat. Keep flowing like this. Adding in any little extra intuitive movements that might feel good for you today. And on your next inhale, we're going to hover those knees just gently off the floor. Nice, hold it here. See if you can pull your ribs in together. Yeah. Hold. Push all 10 fingertips into the ground. Nice, then we're going to inhale. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, knee hover. Exhale, down dog. Great, 2 more, down. And up. Down. And up. Great, pedal it out now. Feel into this shape. Ooh, yes. Pedal, pedal, pedal. And then as you inhale, begin to tippy-toe yourself all the way up to the top. And as you exhale, mount down, ragdoll. You might like to bend one leg, straighten the other. Do anything that feels nice here. Letting go of the hands if you have them. Inhale, rise up, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, reach all the way to the sky. And fold. Halfway lift. Plant the hands, jump back, plank. Oh yeah. Inhale, lean the weight forward. Drop the knees, exhale, lower all the way down. Great, keep the elbows tucking in, rise up, high cobra. Exhale, lower down. 2 more, rise up. And lower. 1 more, rise up. And lower. Inhale, all fours. Exhale, child's. Sway the hips side to side here. Beautiful, feel into the shape. And we're getting ready to switch flows. Final breath. Really allow yourself to melt down. Great, then inhale, find your all fours. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot goes to the sky. Exhale, bend and open up that hip. Find your scorpion dog. Now we're going to do 3 circles of the knee. So you're doing 3 little circles of the knee one way and the other way. Now with this shape, don't worry too much about how it looks. Just try to keep your chest pointing towards the earth. As you inhale, find your 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee into the chest. Tiger curl. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, right knee, right elbow, give it a little kiss. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, cross over the body, give the left elbow a little kiss. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands, drop that left knee down. Take a breath here. Find your feet. And then as we inhale, rise up, low lunge. Exhale, straighten the front leg, half run one. Rise up. Soften down. Last round here, rising up. Straighten the front leg, hold. Nice breathing here. You might like to wave that foot. We're just going to inhale, rise up to our low lunge. And from here, I want you to come up a little bit higher. So this time, instead of sinking at the hips, just come up a little bit. You're going to kick your left foot towards your bum. Try to catch it with either one hand or both hands. Warrior. Nice, hold it wherever you are. You can reach that other hand to the sky if you're just grabbing it with one. Just whatever hand is grabbing that foot, see if you can open that chest. So now if you've got the foot, you can explore with dropping deeper into that hip or staying up nice and high. One more breath. We're going to inhale, find a low lunge. Exhale, plant the left hand next to the right foot. Lift your back knee up, easy twist. Beautiful, breath in here. Breath out. Breath in, plant the hand, step it back, plank. Breath out, lower all the way down. Inhale, press up, high cobra. Exhale, sink it back, child. Breath in here. Breath out. Soften, take a rest. Let that side go. Then as you inhale, find your all fours. And as you exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Inhale, left leg goes to the sky. Exhale, bend the left hip open. 3 little circles here. Try to keep even weight on both hands. Nice. Switch directions after the 3rd circle. Inhale, bring the left knee into the chest. Exhale, 3-legged dog. Inhale, left knee, left elbow. Exhale, 3-legged dog. Inhale, left knee, right elbow. Exhale, three-legged dog. Inhale, step the left foot between the hands. Drop the back knee down. Pause. Just find your breath, find your center, find the shape. Don't worry about moving on to the next thing. Just be here in this one. As you inhale, rise up, low lunge. Exhale, sink into the shape. Inhale. Exhale, half Hanuman. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, come down. Rise up. Last one. And up. Holding up. Again, you might like to come up a little bit higher on your right knee rather than sinking into the hips. Come up higher. And then kick your right foot towards the bum and catch it with a hand. So again, you can stay here, but I like to grab the thumb side edge of my foot so I can really open the shoulder that grabs the foot. Nice. Once you've got it here, see if you can relax that quad. And then you might like to try to sink a little bit lower. Wherever you are, breathe. Last breath. Inhale, let the foot go. Exhale, right hand lands, left hand stays to the sky. You lift that right knee up, easy twist. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in, step it back, find your plank. Breath out, lower all the way or half the way down. Breath in, upward dog, down dog. Breath out, downward facing dog. Nice. So just taking 3 breaths here. If you need, drop into child's for 2. Final breath. And on this side, we're going to start with the left. So inhale, left foot goes to the sky. As you exhale, bend and open up that hip. Now holding here, otherwise if you like, you can flip your dog. So the left foot lands behind you, you lift your hips all the way up to the sky. You'll take a full breath in and out. As we breathe in, we'll all meet in 3-legged dog. Breath out, knee into the chest. Breath in, 3-legged dog. And breath out, our left knee crosses over the body, hold. Breath in, kick the foot out. Breath out, bring it back in. Breath in, 3 leg. Breath out, step the left foot between the hands. Yay, full breath here. Drop that back heel. Rise up, warrior 1. Exhale, sink into the shape. Inhale here. Exhale. We're going to take an inhale. And as we exhale, open up warrior 2. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, straighten the front leg and reverse. Inhale, reach forward, straight legs. Exhale, left hand down, right hand to the sky. Trikonasana. Take a breath. Now we're going to inhale here. And as we exhale, right hand meets the left. Inhale, left hand goes up to the sky. Exhale down. Inhale up. Down, switch sides. And up. And down. Enough of that, let's inhale, flip and reverse. Exhale, find your wide-legged fold. Swish from side to side. You might even like to bend one leg, straighten the other. Final breath. Inhale, find your runner's lunge. Find your easy twist. Take a breath. Beautiful. Now as we inhale, find your side plank. And as you exhale, flip it so we're in a wild thing. Breath here. Breath out. Inhale, downward facing dog. Breath out, done. That's it. Inhale, right leg to the sky. Exhale, bend that right hip open. Again, hold here, or option to flip the dog for a breath in. Breath out. Inhale, we all make three-legged dog. Breath out, knee into the chest. Breath in, three-legged dog. Breath out, cross the right knee across the body, hold. Breath in, kick the foot out. Breath out, pull it back. Breath in, three-legged. Breath out, step the right foot between the hands. This is it, pause here. Find your feet. Drop the left heel down. Rise up, warrior one. Sink into the shape. Nice, just feel yourself here. See if you can drop that hip a little bit more. See if you can really feel that left toe press into the ground. Right toes shooting forward, pressing into the heel of both feet, squeezing. Great, feels great, I know. Inhale, reach. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Just a breath here. Feel everything lift and rise you up. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, flip and reverse. Whoops. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, straighten the front leg, flip and reverse. There we go. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, right hand down, left hand to the sky, Trikonasana. Breath in here. Breath out, switch sides. Breath in, you reach up to the other side. Hello. Breath out, you switch. And in. And down. Up. Down. Breath in, come all the way up and over. Breath out, fold it down. This time, doing anything that feels good. I'm going to go for an interlace of the hands behind my back, reach to the sky. I'm going to even heel turn my feet a little bit wider. Last breath here. And then inhale, rock on forward, find your runner's lunge. And then from here, find your easy twist, so right hand goes to the sky. Take a full breath here, breathing into the belly. And as we inhale, find your side plank. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And exhale, step that top foot over so you find a little bit of a wild thing. Nice. Inhale, plank pose this time. Exhale, find all fours. Awesome work, everybody. From here, just walking the handprints as far forward as you can. I like to say about 2 handprint forwards. Take a breath in. And as you breathe out, puppy pose. So drop the head, drop the heart, soften down. Nice. Breathe here. Let go. Gently coming back towards your body. Sitting onto your shins. If that doesn't feel comfortable, just sit in a cross-legged seat. Just take a moment to feel that shape leave your body. Notice if it's shifted you energetically at all. Notice how the practice has made you feeling. Notice how you're feeling right now in this moment. Gently blinking open the eyes if they were closed, finding all fours once again. We're going to inhale, that right hand's going to come all the way to the sky. Exhale, right hand threads underneath the left. The threaded needle. Pause here. Rounding the left hand down into the earth. Inhale, reach right hand high. Exhale, plant the right hand down. Inhale, left hand goes to the sky. Exhale, thread it underneath. Beautiful. Reach the right hand out in front. Pause. Place the right hand under the shoulder. Inhale, left hand goes high. Exhale, sink it back, find a child's pose. You might like to take both hands behind the head. And today we're going to close off our practice here. So if you would like to lay in a traditional Shavasana or a seated shape, go for it. Otherwise, just resting here. Gently making your way back to your body, moving on up. Doing anything that feels natural. And then when you're ready, just taking both hands over your heart or together at prayer at heart center. Or maybe even taking the right hand to the left shoulder and the left hand to the right shoulder and giving yourself a little hug. And thanking yourself for being here, for creating this time and space for you. Thanking everyone in the world who might also be joining in with this practice with you. And thanking all the people who made this happen. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And let me know how you go. Subscribe, like, comment if you finished. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!